12 lakh per annum in motion design, that too in India.
I used to think like यार ये क्या सच में 1 लाख 2 लाख कमा सकते हैं इन जनरल वीडियो एडिटिंग से। मेरे में इतना घुस गया था पैसा कि मैं आई यूज्ड टू वर्क एज अ डिलीवरी बॉय जस्ट फॉर 50 रुपीज। देन मैं आपका जॉब ऑफर तो देख लिया, एक बार पैकेज देखा, मेरा होश उड़ गया भाई। 1 लाख एज अ वीडियो एडिटर, आई वाज लाइक डाउटिंग माई सेल्फ कि मैं इतना स्किल्ड हूँ भी नहीं।
You were working at an agency. Why did you quit working in that agency?
The first day was good, like ठीक है इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ। Then comes the next day, like एक ही दिन मेरे को 7 रील बनाने के लिए दे दिया भाई। Very toxic culture, like I actually resigned in a very bad terms.
Now, something that people might not know is that all of this happened before I even launched my first cohort, right? There was no course, there's no product, there's nothing to sell
Yeah.
to you. Like, what does that narrative like mean to you?
As I've told you, I've already done some cohorts. They were like some kind of
So tell me, Rajesh, about where you're from and what sort of life looked like when you were like growing up. Little bit about your like family background and the full picture.
I am Raj Harsha and I'm from the biryani capital of India, the Hyderabad and Telangana. Coming to my childhood and all of that, I lived my life like any other middle class guy, wondering about money and all the comfort you get while having those luxurious items and all. Although my dad never made me felt like had a middle class life, he used to get me all the toys, all the food, whatever I asked. But the dreams he used to show me while showing some ads on the TV that imagine we could afford that car, imagine we could live in that bungalow. So all of this made me feel like यार कुछ करना पड़ेगा जिंदगी में। मतलब I felt like I have to earn it. Like मेरे को दिखाना है पापा को कि मैं कर सकता हूँ, ये दिला सकता हूँ। पापा तू रुक, मैं करके दिखाऊंगा। तो मेरे में इतना घुस गया था पैसा कि मैं when I was 11 I used to work as a delivery boy just for 50 rupees.
Oh, wow. I didn't know about this part. Like when I was also a kid, I actually came from like a little bit lower middle class family. And
Okay.
every aspiration जो मेरे पास था, what I wanted, I knew that I could not ask from my parents. So my dad's financial condition was more like कि क्या मैं अपने बेटे को इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में पढ़ा सकता हूँ. That was the financial condition, right?
अच्छा, अच्छा।
So it was a very big leap for my dad to
हुँ।
even put me in a English medium school. तो उससे बहुत कुछ सीखा हूँ मैं. ऐसे like I used to also like sell CDs, build setups for others, do the others projects. तो वो काफी relate हो गया मुझे भी.
Yeah,
तो
it's
चलो.
crazy, crazy. You grew a lot, right? Compared to that.
I
So
mean,
it's like night and day.
Oh, of course, of course. Now is an interesting story. Prem Sagar came to me as a video editor, just making about 15,000 rupees a month as an intern. That too working like 8 to 9 hours a day. So I privately coached him and he switched now to motion design. And last week he closed a 35,000 rupees gig. That too delivered in a week. See, the demand is there, the supply is not. And I get asked a lot of time, how do I even learn this skill and how do I even get this sort of gigs? So after so many of your requests, I am building Indian School of Motion, India's first community for top 1% of motion designers. And we ran a free workshop recently and people said it was one of the most insightful things they had attended in a while. By the way, the next workshop is coming very soon. Don't forget to join the waitlist. The link will be in the description down below. Okay, I have a very interesting question. You were working at an agency for about 8 to 9 months before any of this happened, right? So tell me, what was that like and why did you quit working in that agency?
Yeah, so before like it was something like 8 months ago, I guess. Yeah, I joined an agency that was a local agency. It was on my part a mistake that I haven't done a proper background research on that company. I was like यार कुछ नहीं है हाथ में, कुछ तो मिल जाए, स्टेबल इनकम। अभी तक कुछ नहीं है, सब कितने दिन फ्रीलांस करके रहूंगा। So I was like that and I just took the job. I didn't even think about the working hours. ठीक है मैं काम कर लूंगा. Then when the first day was good, like ठीक है इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ, कुछ नहीं हुआ, काम ज्यादा था नहीं, 4-5 घंटा तो मैं खाली बैठा था. I was like यार नाइस यार, ये तो ज्यादा काम भी नहीं है, पैसा भी ज्यादा दे रहा है. Then comes the next day, like एक ही दिन मेरे को 7 रील बनाने के लिए दे दिया भाई. I was like bro, do you really expect me to finish this in 8 hours? मान लो 1 घंटे का एक भी करूं मैं, फिर भी लंच ब्रेक बस 1 ही घंटा.
Wait. So they expected you to edit 8 reels in a day.
Not expected, they want 7 reels.
Bro,
Expectation तो 10 थी. Oh my god. अरे उनका ऐसा था कि they are dealing with low ticket clients. They don't have
Okay.
good
That's a
clients,
problem.
right? वो मेरे को बाद में पता चला. They were actually bragging that मेरा ज्वेलरी का वो है क्लाइंट्स, वो है, वो तो मेरे को असाइन ही नहीं किया. मेरे को जो असाइन किया वो तो लो टिकट क्लाइंट्स था. उनको ज्यादा वॉल्यूम चाहिए. तो दे वर लाइक पुशिंग मी, करो 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 करो। बीइंग ए टीम लीड मैं खुद भी एडिट कर रहा था वहां पर, सो इट वाज वेरी
Hmm.
यू नो बैड, टॉक्सिक काइंड ऑफ थिंग। और मेरा इनपुट्स कुछ ले नहीं रहा था फाउंडर, लाइक ही वाज लाइक लिटरली ही सेड दिस लाइन लाइक, तू मेरे को बताएगा एडिटिंग के बारे में? लाइक इफ आई बी ऑनेस्ट, दैट गाय डजंट नो शिट। लाइक उसको वो बहुत बेसिक आता है, उसको आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स आता भी नहीं था उसको। सो दैट गाय, ऑफ कोर्स ही माइट हैव समथिंग दैट ही इज एबल टू पे मी, बट ना ब्रो, ही he was
I
like
think
very
it's I think it's just a result of really bad leadership, because
yeah.
if I am focusing on the business part, I would expect you to be the subject matter expert. You are the lead of editing, right? I would not even get into that, right? So that sort of ownership and trust has to be there, I feel.
एंड ऑल्सो ही इज कमिंग इन बिटवीन एवरी स्टेप। तो मेरा मतलब क्या बना, लाइक एटलीस्ट मेरे को एक बार फर्स्ट इटरेशन तो देने दो, तब तू
Hmm.
कुछ चेंजेस बता, फिर मैं करूंगा ना। सो या
Hmm.
वेरी
Hmm.
टॉक्सिक कल्चर, लाइक दैट गाय वाज आल्सो वेरी टॉक्सिक, एंड वी आई एक्चुअली रिजाइन्ड इन अ वेरी बैड टर्म्स विद दैट
Oh.
कंपनी।
आई थिंक यार यही है कि बहुत सारे एजेंसी में ना, मैक्सिमम ऑफ एजेंसीज ऑपरेट लाइक दिस एंड दे हैव वेरी
या
बैड वर्क लाइफ कल्चर. आई एम ओके टू स्केल लिटिल स्लोअर, बट पीपल हु आर विथ मी आर here for the long term, and also I need to work on their vision, not just कि मेरा purpose अब fulfill हो रहा है,
द सेम लाइन यू हैव टोल्ड व्हाइल इंटरव्यूइंग अस,
right?
नॉट इंटरव्यू बट दैट डे, दैट मीट डे।
Yeah, right. तो मतलब even in our team I try to keep it like very non-toxic. It's opposite actually. Sometimes तो ऐसा होता है कि
करने दो।
बंदा बैठा है 11 बजे ऑफिस में, I'm like भाई तू जा, क्या कर रहा है जिंदगी में, get a life. 9 बजे
नो
चले जा.
पर्सनल लाइफ फॉर व्हाट?
I'm like what? ये कैसे हो सकता है? मैं भगा रहा हूँ, उल्टा हो रहा है मेरे साथ. Okay, the question that most people have been waiting for. Walk me through how the no AI job opportunity came up, and what that day sort of felt like.
एक दिन मैसेज आता है, सोने वाला था, आई वाज लाइक स्लीपिंग, एंड उठ गया था बीच में, पता नहीं है सम काइंड ऑफ नाइटमेयर और समथिंग, कुछ तो भगवान ने उठा दिया मेरे को 3 बजे के आसपास। देन आई सॉ योर टेक्स्ट लाइक, एंड आल्सो व्हाई डिड यू टेक्स्ट ऑन 3 AM, लाइक उस टाइम पे क्यों मैसेज करने के लिए लगा था?
I mean, opportunities knock at your doors when you're not expecting, right? And 3 a.m. is the
So
perfect time, I feel.
so yeah, I might be lucky that I woke up at that time, and I woke up and I got ting. Then I was like, oh, who's this? I saw कि भाई offer है, करेगा क्या? I was like, damn, this is the best time I could actually get this chance. Like it's like life changing opportunity. अभी तक जहाँ भी like honestly saying, यहाँ पर वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस बहुत सही है, मैं बता रहा हूँ ना। प्रीवियस एजेंसी वर्क, देयर वर नो हॉलीडेज ऑन सैटरडे, आई एम नॉट इवन किडिंग, नो हॉलीडेज ऑन सैटरडे, राइट? सो हियर वंस आई मैंने आपको शायद टेक्स्ट भी किया ना कि सैटरडे हॉलीडे मिलेगा क्या करके। देन आई वाज लाइक आई वाज कॉन्टेम्पलेटिंग कि मिलेगा कि नहीं, ये भी स्टार्टअप है, दे माइट मेक मी वर्क अ लॉट। सो आई वाज लाइक सैटरडे भी छुट्टी, अरे वाह यार, ये तो बहुत बढ़िया है, कभी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया मैंने। बहुत फ्री लगा मेरे को कि यार आई कुड एक्चुअली डेवलप, मतलब स्किल अपस्किल कर सकता हूँ, आई कैन ग्रो इवन अ लॉट देन
Hmm.
दिस। एंड ऑल्सो सब तो देख ही रहा होगा यूट्यूब में कि आई एम अर्निंग दिस मच एज अ वीडियो एडिटर, वो ये। आई यूज्ड टू थिंक लाइक यार ये सही में पॉसिबल है? मतलब क्या सच में 1 लाख 1.5 लाख 2 लाख कमा सकते हैं यूट्यूब या कंटेंट से, या इन जनरल वीडियो एडिटिंग से? देन मैं आपका जॉब ऑफर तो देख लिया, एक बार पैकेज देखा, मेरा होश उड़ गया भाई। क्योंकि आई वाज़न्ट मैं सोचा होगा 50,000 60,000, मैक्स टू मैक्स 70,000। आई डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट दैट 1 लाख अ मंथ, वो भी इन हैंड। आई वाज लिटरली इन ऑ, लाइक क्या ये सच है? मैं सच देख रहा हूँ? 1 लाख एज़ अ वीडियो एडिटर, ये मेरे को मिलेगा सही में? आई वाज़ लाइक डाउटिंग माय सेल्फ कि मैं इतना स्किल्ड हूँ भी नहीं। देन ऑफ कोर्स आपने ट्रेन किया तो ऑब्वियसली हूँ मैं। ऑब्वियसली होना ही चाहिए स्किल। सो या दैट एक्चुअली हेल्प्ड मी अ लॉट, योर
Hmm.
ट्रेनिंग स्पेशली,
नहीं
एंड ऑफ
नहीं,
कोर्स द नेटवर्क यू हैव।
you have given me the opportunity to mold you in such a way that you can be at good position in life, right? क्योंकि
वो क्या है
honestly,
कि
हाँ
बंदे
बोलो.
में दिख जाता है
इंटेंट दिख जाता
कि
है.
टीचर्स में भी ये दिखता है, नॉट ओनली ऑन टीचर को स्टूडेंट में दिखना अलग है, स्टूडेंट्स आल्सो हैव दैट पर्सपेक्टिव लाइक हाँ ये मेरा टीचर बन सकता है। नॉट एवरीवन कैन सी दैट, आई फील लाइक एवरीवन हैज टू डेवलप दैट स्किल, दैट मेंटर प्रॉपर्ली चूज करना आना चाहिए। even before coming under Somrat, I actually joined some cohort, but man, like they were so bland and मतलब वो ऐसे कि टेक्स्ट बुक चीजें पढ़ा रहा है, असाइनमेंट दे रहा है, वो ये, so that didn't fit my persona. Like मैं in general काम करके सीखता हूँ, कोई मेरे को पढ़ाएगा तो मैं सीख नहीं पाता. So that really helped from your end that you actually gave real projects. मैं असलियत में ऑडियंस को समझना मेरे को पड़ा, मतलब I had to actually study audience retention.
This is the one people have been waiting for. Like 12 lakh per annum, all in hand, in motion design, that too in India. Like when you first saw that number, what did it like really sort of mean to you? What did you feel?
So after looking at the package, I was like, okay, damn, that's a big amount. And instantly my first thought was like, average कितना मिलता है सबको वीडियो एडिटर्स को या मोशन डिजाइनर्स को. मैं गूगल में जाके चेक किया, it was like something around 3 to 4 LPA. I was like, what? That too working on 10 to 12 hours. And I myself experienced that shit. वो जो मैं पुराना एजेंसी में काम किया था, he used to work me like 10 hours, 12 hours, even Saturdays and sometimes Sundays. Shoot locations में जाओ, वो ये. So all of that, I was like, okay, this is a really good upgrade. So I feel like you're the guy who's actually trying your hardest to bring the change in this toxic industry, like all this irregular work hours, irresponsibility, and all of that. I also like the fact that you're empowering others too. You're not only using that opportunity for yourself, you're also helping others to achieve their goals and make their lives better.
Thank you so much for the kind words. Yeah, something really changed couple of months back. I was actually earning quite fine, but it did not feel. It felt very transactional to me. Like अंदर से ना वो emotion angle missing था, एक mission angle missing था. So I've completely shifted my mission to actually sort of change people's life rather than just focusing on money part. That is the reason I also quit my job, because I was making a lot of money, trust me. And like क्या impact है भाई इसका? Impact क्या है? Like who am I changing? किसका लाइफ में बदल रहा हूँ? ठीक है भाई, इवन इफ आई एम हैविंग माय ओन बिजनेस, आई एम मे बी मैं किसी आई एम हैविंग अ वेरी स्मॉल इम्पैक्ट इन समझ लाइक कि थोड़ा सा उसका लाइफ बदल दिया, राइट, डायरेक्शन बदल दी ताकि वो अच्छा है. तो इवन दैट मेक्स मोर सेंस देन मेकिंग सो मच ऑफ मनी टू मी. तो वही थोड़ा सा पर्सपेक्टिव शिफ्ट हुआ, एंड आफ्टर दैट पर्सपेक्टिव शिफ्ट एवरी गुड टैलेंटेड एडिटर जो मेरे क्लोज नेटवर्क में है, सबका आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट टू चेंज देयर लाइफ. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द काइंड वर्ड्स. एक्चुअली आई वाज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग बट थैंक यू सो मच.
Yes, sir. Obviously, you deserve those words, right? You changed my life, so what I owe you a big thing.
You're really good, man. So a lot of people might not know that whenever you help someone getting placed, you either take a huge commission, let's say 10-20%. Also take a salary cut, like first 1-2 months. For everything that I did, the introduction, the coaching, also I helped you coach before the interview, right? And putting my name
Yeah.
behind you.
Instead of taking a cut, you actually paid me for working for you. So I was like earning and also learning. So that was like a win and win situation for me.
A lot of people who are watching this video might be interested in the interview part of cracking that 12 LPA job. So can you just tell us a little bit about that?
So yeah, it wasn't like a general interview process that actually goes. Actually, I was quite shocked that it was that easy for me, because I got to leverage your name. Even you personally joined the interview so that I can leverage your name, and it was even more easier normal to crack that job. So I think your name helped me to leverage that. And also not only just the interview, like even before the interview, just half an hour ago, you actually I think we came up to a sync up call, and we had like a thorough session that how to perform in an interview. You actually helped me how to prepare for an interview. So that actually also helped me a lot, while answering the questions in their interview.
Now, something that people might not know is that all of this happened before I even launched my first cohort, right? There was no course, there's no product, there's nothing to sell
Yeah.
to you. Like, so what does that narrative like mean to you?
So yeah, that is actually the interesting part. As I've told you, I've already done some cohorts. They were like some kind of school teachers. They come, they show the video, they show the how to do this, how to do that, how to use the tool, and they just leave. We have like no real connection in between, like to a proper guy, who actually coaches you. But coming to you, I feel like you're जिम पे जो पर्सनल ट्रेनर होता है जो बस आपको बताता है. सो आई फेल्ट लाइक यू आर दैट काइंड ऑफ कोच टू मी इन दिस. motion design and all of that. That thing actually made me grow exponentially. And also, as you know, like many other cohorts charge you for charge you extra for placement and all, और उसमें भी कंफर्मेशन नहीं होता है कि प्लेसमेंट होगा या नहीं होगा. पहले तो मेरे को कोहॉर्ट लग ही नहीं रहा था. सो एज आई टोल्ड यू, यू वर लाइक अ पर्सनल ट्रेनर फॉर मी. एंड आपने लेजिट ऑफर दिया, आई हैव टेकन, एंड you helped me through the interview process, and I got the interview cracked, and I've got placed.
Funnily enough, Raja was one of the very few private coaching people that I wanted to actually mentor for free before I actually launch anything, because I wanted to be sure ki, okay, can I actually transfer that skill? And in the
Yeah.
past 1 year, the number of people that has been able to catch up to me and even excel me, which I'm so proud of, actually people getting ahead of me through my hands, quite empowering. So I'm really happy that I've been able to
Yeah.
do that.
एक बार कोर्स ले लेंगे तो उनको पता चल जाएगा कि who they are dealing with.
Yeah,
They're really
I
great.
mean,
Actually was really great working with you. Like,
yeah.
damn.
So actually, those coaching people were quite lucky that they got my mentorship for free. Of course, now that I know that I can transfer, there's a lot
Very
of
few
demand.
spots left. ले लो सब जल्दी.
I mean, hopefully, let's see. Okay. Radha, it was a very nice interview, and thank you so much for talking so good about me. And I'm also happy that you are at a very good place right now and doing really great in life. And I'm hoping that you keep continuing this in the future. So, how did you come across my work, and what really made you like reach out to me for a job or a gig?
Initially, I was searching for some kind of tutorials, and वही editing का सब देख रहा था. What's the thing? कैसे क्या trend चल रहा है? What's the kind of editing styles and all? And मेरे feed में आपका एक जो most popular video था, वो मेरे feed में आया था. If you're ambitious but lazy in your 20s, please watch this. Feed में आया था. I was like, ये तो बहुत relatable है. Actually, title को ही मैं relate कर पा रहा हूँ. So I was like, let's watch this video. पहला फ्रेम ही मेरे को इतना पसंद आ गया कि आई वाज लाइक पूरा देखना पड़ेगा, अब ये वीडियो को तो देखना ही पड़ेगा पूरा. सो वो शायद 1 मिनट 50 सेकंड्स का ही था शायद. वो
Short
बहुत
video.
छोटा वीडियो था, बट इट डिडंट फेल्ट लाइक सम काइंड ऑफ एजुकेशनल वीडियो या मोटिवेशनल वीडियो. फेल्ट लाइक अ फकिंग मूवी. लाइक बहुत बढ़िया लगा था. सो आई वाज लाइक मैं 2 बार देखा वीडियो. पहली बार देखा पूरा वीडियो के एसेंस समझने, फिर दूसरी बार देखा बस वीडियो एडिट के लिए, क्या चल रहा है क्या है. एक सोचा आधा घंटा मैं उसी वीडियो को देखा. इट वाज लाइक दैट गुड. फिर मैंने उसको रिक्रिएट करने का ट्राई किया, मेरे से हो नहीं पाया था. देन आई वाज लाइक आपके डिस्क्रिप्शन में देख रहा था क्या सीन है इसका, बंदे का क्या क्या है, कौन है ये. आई वाज लाइक अच्छा दिख रहा था. मतलब वीडियो सब चैनल पे मैं उसी दिन थोड़ा और एक्सप्लोर किया था चैनल, एंड फीड में आने लगे थे बहुत सारे वीडियोस. एंड बाद में एक वीडियो में मैं देखा था कि वी हैव अ डिस्कॉर्ड सर्वर फॉर अस, यू कैन जॉइन दैट टू गेट मेनी जॉब ऑफर्स एंड ऑल. मैं और मेरे करियर के स्टार्टिंग में था वो. तो आई वाज लाइक यार कर सकते हैं इसमें, अच्छा खासा ऑफर्स है. वीडियो पे जो दिखाया था 50,000 का जॉब ऑफर है वो ये. आई वाज लाइक डैम, ये कर सकता हूँ मैं.
Okay, so we worked on some real projects together, especially on my own YouTube channel. So if you can briefly explain what the experience was actually working on those projects and along with me and my team.
First thing, if whoever is watching for this, they are not practice projects, right? They are actual projects, actual videos that are edited for an actual channel with 100k subs. I don't think people understand this, but this is not a joke. Like 100k subscriber का channel रखे, मतलब एक random बंदे को if you're giving an edit, like nobody does that. I was like क्या मतलब what's the thing, ये ऐसा क्यों दे रहा है? Is this guy crazy or something? सीधा डायरेक्ट प्रोजेक्ट, कोई सैंपल नहीं, कुछ नहीं. I was like okay, अब तो करना पड़ेगा कुछ. I would say compared to other cohorts, या मतलब कुछ भी बोल सकता. I don't see yours as a cohort in my opinion. Like it's more than, I wouldn't say even it is a course. Like ये तो पूरा एक अलग एक्सपीरियंस था मेरे को. I didn't feel like a mentor, you teaching me. I felt like someone जिसको मेरा दोस्त मान के मैं पूछ सकता हूँ कुछ भी. I felt like that. So that's the thing. And yeah, it felt really smooth actually. Communication में तो इतना भी कुछ delay नहीं था, कुछ भी नहीं था. It was really smooth communication में. So that's the thing which made me actually complete the edit. कभी ऐसा होता है कि editors चालू करते हैं लेकिन बीच में छोड़ देता है. So
बहुत हुआ है हमारे साथ.
that relentlessness had pushed me to finish the project. मैं खत्म करके सोचा कि भाई मैं कर भी सकता हूँ इतना. ऐसा हो गया. You brought something out of me that I never thought I had.
नहीं नहीं actually, so I do have a lot of faith when I am especially giving someone long form content. And yes, most creators would
Yeah.
never give you their actual YouTube content days zero. They will give you some like
Yeah.
Instagram reels or some short
Day zero
form.
को तो एकदम नहीं देंगे.
कोई नहीं देंगे. तो I
भाई.
actually, so मेरा टीम बहुत छोटा है, but the people who
Hmm.
are there, I have a lot of faith in them that they're not gonna fuck up. So, but I have this one last question, which is like someone who's watching this video right now, who is exactly where you were before all of this happened. What do you like tell them? Like, what is your advice for them?
मैं सब जैसा नहीं बोलूंगा कि मेहनत करो सब मिल जाएगा. मतलब आई फील लाइक कि you have to be a problem solver rather than
Right.
being a tool in other people's hand, right? So you have to be in such a way that you can be molded anyway, and to actually get there you need to be able to find problems in industry or in people's life or anywhere. So I feel like you have to first develop that thing in you that you're able to find problems and then come up with a solution that you're capable of, and then you just keep refining it. Uske baad mehnat aata hai. You have to work then hard after finding what your thing is.
Wow, that's just wow, that's such a fresh angle, because this is something I personally believe. Like at the end of the day, the easiest way to make money is to solve problems. Like there's no other way to make money. You cannot make money without solving problems, right? And
Yeah, I don't know why people buy into the thing that make money in just 5 minutes. नहीं होता है भाई, इतना आसान नहीं है. It's not that
right.
easy.
And even if you make that money, it's not like something that's scalable, right? Like you can't like, okay, 5 minutes में बना ले उसके बाद क्या?
Yeah,
Like you can't infinitely make that money, right?
exactly. And
So
और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि आपको एक बार जॉब लग गया तो सब everything is butterflies and everything. No, वहां पर जाने के बाद भी आपको काम करना पड़ेगा. They're gonna push you a lot. You have to work there. Challenges मिलेंगे वहां पर भी. So yeah, of course I'm facing that. So it's really nice working with people like that. Very high agency kind of thing. So we are moving really quick. मैं बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है वहां पर. I'm upskilling like crazy.
I mean, you're talking about high agency. I think this is one thing that's so rare in so many of people that, they just don't care enough.
Yeah,
And
it's very rare.
very rare. High agency is so rare. And if you are watching this video, if you are a high agency person, you will make the money. You just have to be
Exactly.
someone who can
It's all
solve a
about
problem
mindset.
right now. Huh? It's all about mindset. Yeah. It's all about mindset.
Yep.
So thank you so much, Raja, for taking out time out of your busy schedule
Pleasure.
for this
My
one. And see you in the next one. By the way, if you want this sort of like personal coaching from me, don't forget to join Indian School of Motion's waitlist in the description down below. And see you on the other side.